Hi everyone and welcome back to Scratch. Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious pot stickers. Let's get started. For this recipe we'll need 45 wonton wrappers, 2 carrots, a quarter head of cabbage, a half pound of ground pork, a tablespoon of salt, a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of rice vinegar, a tablespoon of minced garlic, a half teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and a quarter teaspoon of ground ginger. We'll start by rinsing our carrots and rinsing and pulling the outer leaves off of our cabbage. Then we'll cut the tops and bottoms off of our carrots and grate them, and cut our cabbage into quarters, and thinly slice 1/4 of our cabbage, reserving the rest of our cabbage for another recipe. I'm going to be using a food processor to save time, but you can use a grater if you'd like. Once we've cut our vegetables, we'll transfer them to a bowl and mix it with our tablespoon of salt. While 1 tablespoon does sound like a lot, the purpose is to draw the moisture out of our vegetables. We'll let our salted vegetables sit for 20 minutes to draw out the moisture. After 20 minutes, we'll dump our cabbage and carrots into a kitchen towel and wring out as much water as we can before returning them to our bowl. Then we'll mix our half pound of pork, tablespoon of minced garlic, tablespoon of soy sauce, tablespoon of rice vinegar, half teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and quarter teaspoon of ground ginger into our carrots and cabbage to finish up our filling. Once our filling's done, we'll work quickly to fold our pot stickers. We'll leave our wonton dough under a damp towel when not in use. I'm going to be using square wontons today and folding a pyramid shape, but if you'd like you can use circular wontons and crimp them into the traditional shape. We'll take about a teaspoon of our filling, roll it into a ball, and put our filling into the center of each wonton. We'll wet the edges of our wonton wrappers, then fold and pinch 2 of the corners together to make a triangle, and join the other 2 corners to form a pyramid. We'll flatten the bottom with our hand, and set these aside as we work. Then we'll heat a heavy bottom pan of oil on the stovetop over medium-high heat. Once our oil is heated, we'll place in our pot stickers, working in batches if necessary, and fry them in our oil until golden brown on the bottom, about 6 minutes, before adding in our cup of water, covering them, and allowing them to steam until most of the water is gone, about another 8 minutes. We'll serve these with a soy dipping sauce. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes like this one.